Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a super fantastic app for pet lovers, like a fish pet lovers. So it's a Betta fish live wallpaper, which was a HD and 4K live wallpaper. So, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Betta fish wallpaper from the Play Store, or you just type as Betta fish live wallpaper, so you can find this application. So this is the super Betta fish live wallpaper. If you're a Betta fish fan or fish fan, you can just click it and you can just download it. You can have a setting option to change a lot of things. You can see a live Betta fish which are swimming around the wallpaper on your home screen. So you can have a in setting, you can have a lot of option to customize the color of the background or light color, whatever the colors you just needed. So there is a lot of options of being here. So if you just need it, you can also install other applications like a wallpaper for you. So just click on apply. You can see how it's look like. Now we're just going to have the preview how the Betta fish wallpaper live wallpaper look on your home screen. So it's actually amazing wallpaper. You can see it's actually following the food around my home screen. So it's actually a bigger Betta fish which has been turning around and also circulating around my home screen, which look actually great and mind relaxing. So if you want to have a relaxed wallpaper, or you just need to see a fish that swim around your home screen, you can just get it. You can just download it from the Play Store. It's an amazing wallpaper. You can see the fish actually searching for the food, and it's actually turning around the wallpaper like that. So it's actually a high quality and HD wallpaper, and also a 4K wallpaper. If you are a fish lover, you just need a fish live wallpaper, you can just download it from the Play Store. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique.